Today, we're taking a look at how you can finally bring some order to your saved places in Google Maps. Google uses so-called lists for this, but there are a few differences you should know. I'm Thomas, your outdoor tech instructor. Let's jump straight into the basics. In Google Maps, tap U at the bottom of the screen. There, you'll see the default lists. These are the classics: favorites with the heart icon, start places with the yellow star, or lists like travel plans. Depending on the app version or your account, the names of these default lists may vary slightly. These default lists have one important limitation: you can't rename them, you can't delete them. And some of them, for example start places, can't be shared with others. These are your personal saved places built into Google Maps. If you want full control, you should create your own lists, pick a place on the map, and tap Save at the bottom. Instead of choosing one of the preset lists, tap New List at the top. Now you can give the list your own name. Here, you also decide whether the list stays private or whether you want to share it with friends using a link. To keep your map from looking boring, you can assign a custom icon. This only works with lists you create yourself. Tap Choose Icon at the top. The emoji picker opens, and now you can have some fun. Choose an icon that fits your list. Once you save the list, the places will appear on the map using that emoji. This way, you can immediately see what kind of places you've saved. If the map gets cluttered, you don't have to delete anything. You can control visibility very easily. Go back to your list, tap the three dots next to a list, and choose Hide on your map. The map is clean again, but all places stay safely stored. With Show on your map, you can bring them back anytime. That was a quick overview of how lists work in Google Maps. You can find my Google Maps route planning tutorial in the video on screen. Have fun trying it out and building your own personal map. I'm Thomas, your outdoor tech instructor. See you next time.